Easy and slow English. Usage of definite article the. The is always used before a noun which is already mentioned. Number 2. The is used before an adjective or superlative degree. Number 3. The is also used before the names of seasons like spring, the winter, the monsoon, etc. Number 4. The is used before the celestial bodies like the sun, the moon and the stars. The is used before holy books but not used in other named books. Number 6. The is used before the names of newspapers. Number 7. The is used before musical instruments. Number 8. The is used before monuments like a Taj Mahal, Tower of Pisa, etc. Number 9. The is used before scientific inventions. Number 10. The is used before names of officials without a name. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ.